Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be working in Newport Richey, Florida. We're here for a driveway cleaning, and we're going to be doing the front of the house. So just a partial house wash. We got 2 jobs on the schedule today. Today we're going to be doing this job here, and next I got another job in Tampa that we got to do for a returning customer. We got this big rust removal job we're working on, and I've been filming it. I just gotta drop it for you guys when we get ready. A lot of houses, man, like 85 properties, all the driveways, all the sidewalks. So soon y'all gonna be seeing that video. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, hit the bell so you know when I put up on the video. I appreciate all the support I get from you guys, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on today. So we're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here. It's not too bad, but they got the long sidewalk. So we're gonna start about 4 spaces that way, and they go to 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th palm tree over there. We're also gonna be doing the house in the front. Show you guys how dirty these things, this fascia and exterior gutters look. Pretty bad. Under here we got a lot of nests and spotted eggs. Garage door is pretty bad as well. Gutters right here. Gonna hit all that. Even this part right here has algae all over it. We're gonna be downstreaming our SH today for this job, for the concrete in the driveway. See how many gallons I got. Probably right around about 35 gallons today. Should be enough to get me through for a couple of days. I love having this 100-gallon tank, man. It takes a while to run out unless you're doing like roof cleaning. All right, guys, so we're gonna crank this pressure washer up and get started. Using the 8 GPM with the 19-inch surface cleaner. Let's go. So we just got done putting the mix on the wall and the driveway. So we're just gonna let the wall and the exterior, the gutters and all that dwell for a little while. I'm gonna just go ahead and start on the driveway before I give it a rinse. That stuff was pretty thick, so don't need to rush it. Give it some dwell time. now that we got the wall rinsed, this floor here, you can see some paint is chipping off. So I'm not gonna surface clean it. I'm just gonna use the gun to rinse all this up. That way we don't affect the paint or make it any worse. Always be mindful and look around when you're working before you start putting pressure on stuff. You don't want to mess these customers' houses and properties up. Stay tuned. All right, we all wrapped up. Let's check it out. Got the driveway cleaned up. Only went up to over here. We're not doing the walkway to the back. Clean, clean, clean. Check out the sidewalks. Put a little push treatment on the concrete, especially over here. Get those lines out of there. Check out the house. Exterior gutters are nice and clean, fascia. The door was filthy. That's nice and clean as well. Clean that wall on both sides. Same thing here for the exterior gutters. The floor over here. No surface cleaner, just the one with a downstream mix. And of course, we did the sidewalk on this side. This side, or the sidewalk wasn't as bad, but she's cleaned up, ready to go. Got all the front areas cleaned up, the front door. Next time we'll probably do the rest of the house and the pool deck and the pool cage. But that rig is looking good. All right, guys, we're gonna pack it up, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next job. Let's go. This is a returning customer of mine. Last time I was here, I did the driveway about maybe a year or so ago, and now they want the pool deck and the pool screen clean. They say last time they had it clean was about 3 years ago, so it's pretty filthy. My intentions was, originally when I saw it online, was to use my soft wash system to soft wash the Travertine, because most of the time you can just soft wash Travertine, but these things don't have to be surface clean. Let me show you guys what we got going on. So this is the Travertine deck here. You guys can see how bad it is. You got a lot of algae on the screens. I think it's pretty bad. Got this bar area. It's dirty as well. Top of the screens are not bad. It's mainly just the bottom pieces, so we don't gotta worry about the top. Cage is oxidized. You guys can see it's oxidized, so that won't come off with pressure washing. It needs to be repainted, but you want to make sure you get that on camera before you start. Just fade it real bad. This screen is bad. It's very dirty. So we are gonna just downstream this with some SH. We're gonna downstream the, make sure that's not no scratches on here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is right there. Yeah, downstream, gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna downstream the deck and surface clean it. We can post treat it too. We might post treat it if we got some dark spots remaining. Well, before I start, I gotta water down all these plants around before I start applying the chemical. Got some potted plants down here. We don't want to take no chances with that. And of course, you want to see how tight the screens are. You got a little flexibility on these. They're not too tight, so you want to make sure you don't blow no screens out. I don't see any holes in the screens, and I don't see any detached screens, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna get set up, ready to go. We're gonna start by applying. Oh my God, this thing is super dirty. Look at this thing. Probably have to use a straight pump up spray on this. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and water down the plants before we get started. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. If you learn anything, you know, just share this video with your friends and family. All right, y'all stay tuned. Let's get going. Okay, now we got everything soaked. We can apply our SH and don't have to worry about killing any plants or damaging anything. Once I'm done again, at the end, we're gonna water down everything one more time. All right, let's go. Okay, everything has been downstream, so now we're gonna go on the outside and rinse everything up and water down the plants as we're going around. Potted plants you gotta be very careful with. They're not mature enough. And I also went ahead and applied some SH on the pool deck, just break up that algae. Hopefully when we surface clean it, everything will come off easy. If not, we'll just put a little hotter mix on there. A little stronger mix to get everything break apart for us. You can see this algae here is reacting to the mix. It's ready to be rinsed. So we're gonna loop back around to the outside and then come back in here and finish up. finished here with the job. Everything came out great. Let's check it out. All right, we all wrapped up here. Everything's looking good. Check out the cage. All the algae is gone. You can look right through the cage. This is the other side here. This side was the worst. You guys can see it's all cleaned up. All right, y'all, that's it. Everything is complete. A little quick video. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. If you got any questions, just drop it in the comment section. I get them answered for you guys. We're gonna try to get one more on the schedule. I had a request on my website to do a driveway this morning. I'm gonna see if I can get them locked in. If I do, I'll definitely record it for you guys. But if I don't, y'all have a good one. Then we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.